healthy body, a healthy mind leads to a healthy life. Namaste. This is Misha Kelkar, a certified dietitian and yoga instructor. So here I am on Cleft platform to talk about what is healthy and sustainable lifestyle, the myths about diet, and how to achieve your health goals. So come and join us on Sunday, 21st Feb, 12 p.m. to understand lifestyle management, a way to healthy and active life.
Good afternoon, everybody. So we have 32 participants by now. Welcome, everyone. Um, to those who don't know me, I am Dr. Kirti Gehlot. I am a doctor by profession, a radiologist, and humanitarian by passion. I'm also mother to 8-year-old boy. And today's session is about healthy lifestyle, and we have invited our my 25-year-old friend Misha. I don't know, 2020. It's been so long. We were childhood friends, and today Misha Kelkar is with us to discuss about healthy lifestyle. And my co-host Anupama is a bit busy, so today I'm trying to play her part, but I'm not very good like her. So, Misha, welcome. Uh,
Yeah, thank you, Kirti. So me and Kirti were we connected like after 25 years, and it is really good to be connected for really good cause,
yeah,
actually. I mean to say, I appreciate Kirti what you're doing. It's bringing awareness in between the people, like what is all about living a healthy life, your inner engineering and everything. So namaste everyone. This is Nisha Kelkar, a certified dietitian and yoga instructor. You have seen my video. I am a freelancer operating from Mumbai. Okay, so here today we are discussing about healthy lifestyle, a sustainable lifestyle, and lot many things about diet, exercise, and everything. So the first thing I would like to know is like the word health. It's a big misconception which is going around over the world, is like being healthy means, oh wow, you look so good, you're so slim, oh wow, she's so healthy, she's in best figure, best shape, and bahut achhi lag rahi hai and all. So this is a very very big misconception. I would like people over here to just tell me like what do you feel is the word healthy means. They can send a chat box, they can just answer about it, like for what is your definition about being healthy. Feeling energized, yes, very nice. Should be fit, right? Okay, so like people do know what is healthy, but still what we connect being healthy is good looks, good looks, good looks. This is our definition. This
yeah,
is
Misha, I would like to interrupt. In as a doctor, the WHO has given a definition of health in which
yeah.
the health is not just absence of disease. It's like mental, physical, emotional, and now even they have included the spiritual aspect of our being
Exactly.
into the definition of health. Wow, we have our Anupama host here live. Hi,
Yeah,
Anupama.
hi
We were missing the
Anupama.
energy.
Yeah,
Anupama,
Kirti. Exactly. I was coming to this point. Like, this
Misha,
is a big event.
can Anupama introduce herself and then we
Sure,
can start?
sure, 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 Anupama.
Anupama, you have to unmute. Okay, we have to unmute you.
Yeah. Hi everyone. First of all, I'm sorry I'm a little late. I was on a different session, but thank you, Misha. Thank you for coming on the Cleft Sunday platform and talking about health. I'm not going to take a lot of time. Please continue. Please go.
Thanks, Anupama. Thanks, Anupama. So I'm getting messages about feeling energized, physical or mentally fit. Yeah, very nice. So do we people know like what healthy means, but still we connect it with looks. And lifestyle is basically your style of living. What is your routine? How you spend your day? And what all you include your day. So healthy lifestyle is just mean how sound you are physically, socially, mentally. And now, as Kirti said, it's spiritually. So a person, it's not only like looking good, is a healthy person. A healthy person, how he can manage his or her stress, how fit the person is, how about the stamina, and how about the is the person feeling fatigued, tired? So this is all associated with the health word. So your sound state of physical appearance, in mind, and socially, how about your stress? This is all matters. So healthy lifestyle is the this thing like we is basically how you operate your day, how you operate your life. So here we are understanding about what is sustainable lifestyle. Before starting for sustainable lifestyle, I would like to know like people here, we have a let go attitude towards our body. We don't have our let go attitude towards our relationship. हम अपने रिलेशनशिप है हम वहाँ पे लेट गो एटीट्यूड नहीं चलाते हैं. We always try to work towards our relationship, how to make it better or improve it. Similarly, our financial responsibility, we always try to work hard, we always try to make more money. There also we don't have let go attitude. So only one let go attitude we have is towards our body. And why? Because the body doesn't ask you anything. It doesn't say, it's just keep on giving you. There's inner engineering which is working inside a machine, which is through that machine, your breathings are working, your lungs are working, your liver is metabolizing, you're getting energy and everything. But we take it granted because it doesn't ask anything except food and water.
Yeah.
It doesn't ask anything. राइट गाइस. सो हम लोग वो कुछ नहीं पूछती है और हम उसको कुछ देते भी नहीं है. हम जब देते हैं कि चलो ठीक है खाना खाना है तो खा लिया, बट हम सोचते नहीं है हम उसे अंदर दे क्या रहे हैं, कैसा खाना दे रहे हैं.
Misha, people are more conscious about the kind of petrol we are putting in our cars. अगर हमें पता चल जाएगा कि फलाने पेट्रोल पंप पे थोड़ी सी भी मिलावट है, we will never ever go to that petrol pump and we will either tell everybody कि उस पेट्रोल पंप पे मत जाना, वहाँ पे मिलावट होती है. But when putting things in ourselves, inside our body, inside our own car, we are totally mindless.
So this is a big thing that we all have let go attitude towards our body. और जो हम ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, हम बोलते हैं चलता है चलाने दो. और उसका result you will get it when you become old and when you're after 40s, your degeneration starts. When your body doesn't make anything, it's just a repair and maintenance thing. तब हमें पता पड़ता है कि हमने अपनी body को क्या दिया है and what we are getting back. So I would request everyone, whether you're 40, below 40, above 40, so start today, start improving your body inside. Don't have let go attitude towards your body. Since we don't have any let go attitude towards anything in our life. Yeah. So sustainable lifestyle. Sustainable lifestyle means the routine, what you follow with your convenient easiness and how healthy routine you can follow. Sustainable means you don't have to work hard on yourself, don't want to force yourself to stop anything. So sustainable lifestyle is कि आप अपने हिसाब से, अपनी इच्छा से, अपनी कन्वीनियंस से अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को सुधारिए. वो कैसे सुधारेंगे आप, दिस विल लेट यू नो इन फ्यू मिनट्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सस्टेनेबल लाइफस्टाइल में हम ये कॉन्सेप्ट एक नया है, ये एक न्यू ट्रेंड है. Instead,
एक्चुअली सस्टेनेबल वर्ड अपने आप में एक बहुत ही कंप्लीट वर्ड है कि कोई भी ऐसा काम जो हम क्रैश फॉर्म में करते हैं, शॉर्टकट में करते हैं, या किसी दिन पार्टी कर ली फिर दूसरे दिन 2 दिन खाना नहीं खाया, ये सब चीजें हम परमानेंटली नहीं अडॉप्ट कर सकते. सस्टेनेबल समथिंग जो हम अपने रूटीन में हमेशा के लिए इनकलकेट कर सकते हैं,
हमेशा के लिए आपका एक लाइफस्टाइल है जो आप हमेशा के लिए चला सकते हैं.
चला सकते
और जो लोग डाइट करते हैं और इंटरमिटेंट, कीटो, कल ये कर लिया कल वो कर लिया, विच इज नॉट एट ऑल सस्टेनेबल. आई एडवाइज पीपल, go for something which you can follow all through your life. You don't have to force yourself, you don't have to give up your cravings. It will end up that you will go back. You will go back to your health complication, you will go back to your problems again. So sustainable lifestyle, we are talking about this today. We are telling people to start this new trend. ऐसा अपना रूटीन बनाइए, ऐसा अपना लाइफस्टाइल बनाइए जो आप डेली फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सो डेली फॉलो करने, आई एम शेयरिंग स्क्रीन, Kirti, and
Yeah, Anupama has raised a hand. Anupama,
yeah, Anupama, tell me.
So I just have a quick question. Since you said, you just mentioned about sustainable lifestyle versus the diets, that there are so many different form of diets, and this is very true. Like I personally, I have been following very different diets. I have tried intermittent fasting, I have tried keto diets, I have gone different diets, but this is very true ki it is not possible to sustain. मतलब अगर मैं intermittent fasting करती भी हूँ तो it is just like once a month I'll do, फिर 2 months I'll eat like crazies, and फिर वापस I'll get some realization and then I will stop and I will do it in this thing. So here I want to ask this, that then what is the whole point of everyone talking about dieting, everyone talking about why is there so much misconception?
So basically, Anupama, nice question. And I was about to tell you this thing. What is diet exactly? What is diet? Diet is what we eat in our daily life. जो खाना आप खा रहे हो. And when you say dieting, तो डाइटिंग में आप बताओ ये छोड़ दो, वो छोड़ दो, कल से ये. तो आप पहले तो ये सोचे कि आप क्या कचरा खा रहे थे. I'm sorry if anybody is offended. आप क्या खा रहे थे, आप क्या डाल रहे थे, that is your diet. और अब आप suddenly you are saying dieting, so you were saying कि I'll put healthy things in my body. So why not, as per your body clock, as per your timings, as per your routine, use channelize your diet. आप जो खाना खाते हो विदाउट चेंजिंग एनीथिंग, आप अपने खाने में चेंजेस लाइए हल्का हल्का, जो आप डेली खाते. कल को उठ के बोल दो मैं तो चावल नहीं खाऊंगी, मुझे पतला होना है, बट यू विल हैव डेफिशिएंसी. व्हाट न्यूट्रिशन यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम अ राइस, you will have that deficiency that will be appeared on your maybe hair, your face. You will not get vitamins what you get from the rice. So see, basic, all fundamental is like having a balanced diet, which will come in later. So this is the reasons of back out, like you are not going as per your body clock, you're not losing weight, you're giving up your cravings, and you're forcing yourself. Half done is worst done.
Yeah.
आधा कर रहे हो, आज खा रहे हो, आज छोड़ा, कल क्रेविंग आई, कल खा लिया, वापस ये कर लिया. So it is worse done. So that is why I'm on this platform to understand, to tell you guys like what is sustainable lifestyle. So I'm sharing a screen. I think host has to allow me to share the screen.
Yeah, Misha, now you can. I have given you the rights.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. I hope you all can see it.
Yes, we can.
Yes. Okay. So healthy lifestyle is as per your way, your body clock, your food habits, and gradual change. Your way is like go as per your way. आप बचपन से जो खाते आ रहे हो, जो लाइफस्टाइल अपनाते आ रहे हो उस लाइफस्टाइल के ही थ्रू जाइए. डोंट डू अ मेजर चेंजेस इन योर लाइफ. You go slow and steady. Body clock. Body clock means what time you sleep, what time you get up, what time you eat, and आपका सोने का टाइम, उठने का टाइम, आप एक्सरसाइज कब करते हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग. आई कांट टेल अ पर्सन हु इज वर्किंग इन अ शॉप दैट यू गो होम एंड हैव फूड एट 7 o'clock. इट इज नॉट दैट पर्सन's टाइम. उसका टाइम ये नहीं है. उसका टाइम होगा when he'll close his shop, he'll go home, he'll have food. So we can't. So when you're inculcating a diet routine for a person, जब हम एक diet routine किसी person के हिसाब से देते हैं तो उसके body clock के हिसाब से देना पड़ेगा. हम नहीं किसी को फोर्स कर सकते हैं. और दिस इज द मेन रीजन ऑफ बैकआउट कि आप अपनी बॉडी क्लॉक से नहीं चलते. आप इंटरमिटेंट कर रहे हैं. आप मोस्टली आप 8-9 बजे खाते हैं पर आप बोल रहे नहीं अब तो 6-7 बजे हो गया. अब नहीं होगा. दैट विल नॉट वर्क. That will not. Now food habits. Food habits is what you're having since आपने childhood से. आप क्या खा रहे हो? You're used to of having 3 meals, 2 meals, 4 meals. So the thing is that healthy lifestyle में हम ये समझाएंगे कि आपका food habits है 4 meals का. 4 meals को आप कितना healthy कर सकते हो आप ये वो सोचना है rather than cutting off the meals. ओके मैं ये टाइम नहीं खाऊंगा, ये मील स्किप कर दूंगा. अगेन यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग योर फूड हैबिट्स, योर बॉडी क्लॉक, what you being follow. Now gradual changes. Gradual changes means slow and steady changes ला सकते हैं आप अपने लाइफस्टाइल में. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि कल उठ के मैंने बोला कि बस अब कल से डाइट है और मैं अब ये सैलेड्स खाऊंगा, ये सूप्स पीऊंगा, ये करूंगा. नो आप धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट करिए. धीरे धीरे अपनी लाइफ में चेंजेस लाइए. मॉर्निंग का ब्रेकफास्ट से स्टार्ट करिए. आपकी एक्सरसाइज रूटीन 15 मिनट्स का करिए. तो धीरे धीरे चेंजेस लाएंगे. दैट विल व्हाट यू से स्लो एंड स्टडी wins the race. You can't bring big changes in your life. Go slow, go steady, and you will achieve it. And now, how to achieve this sustainable lifestyle? There are rules to achieve sustainable lifestyle. आप कैसे achieve करोगे इसे? तो एक healthy lifestyle के लिए meds होना जरूरी है. So start your meds. So when I'm saying meds, it's not about डॉक्टर कीर्ति आप मेडिसिन देते हो पर मैं मेडिसिन नहीं दे रही हूँ. ये प्रैक्टिकल मेडिसिन है विच यू गाइज हैव टू इनकलकेट इन योर लाइफस्टाइल. तो meds is meditation, exercise, diet, and sleep. So when you start with sustainable lifestyle, start with these 4 things. So meditation, we'll start with meditation. Why meditation? First of all, India में जो yoga introduce किया है, we should feel blessed because we as a youngster हमें लगता है yoga बहुत boring है, योगा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, जिम बड़ा अच्छा है. एंड हमें शर्म आती है. कितने लोगों को शर्म आती है योगा करते हुए या मेडिटेशन करते हुए कि हमें कहाँ जरूरत है. नहीं, सबको जरूरत है. व्हाई is to manage your stress and to be more motivated in life. Why manage stress? Stress is the biggest silent killer today.
Yeah.
Most of the people, they doesn't know. Half of the आपकी जो बीमारियां हैं, आप जो प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहे हैं, वो आपके स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड है. और जो आप
Correct, Nisha, I've seen people who are obese, who don't eat anything, who don't eat much, but they are in enormous stress and they are gaining weight. Even if I'm in stress, within 1 month I'll gain 2 to 3 kg weight. Rest everything is same. Only I'm stressed. So definitely.
So there's a scientific reason behind it. तो जब आप स्ट्रेस होते हो तो आपका एक ग्रेलिन करके हार्मोन है बॉडी में विच इनिशिएट योर हंगर. जो आपकी हंगर आपको आपकी बॉडी में बताता है कि आपको भूख लग रही है. सो जब आप स्ट्रेस होते हो तो वो जो हार्मोन है वो एक्टिवेट हो जाता है और वो आपके ब्रेन को सिग्नल भेजता है दैट यू आर हंग्री बट यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड. बट हम स्ट्रेस में सोचते हैं हम यू आर हंग्री एंड देन यू टेंड टू ईट समथिंग विच मेक्स यू फील बेटर कि यार बहुत स्ट्रेस है, चल यार आज पिज्जा खा लेते हैं,
Yeah, we
बर्गर खा
tend
लेते
to
हैं,
get attracted to high salt, high oil,
high
such kind
sugar
of
food.
high sugary foods.
यस, सो आप स्ट्रेस्ड हो, आप मेडिटेट करो, आप म्यूजिक सुनो, एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग जो आपको स्ट्रेस फ्री करे, rather than eating. And when you eat, then you think of some good thing to eat. आप उसको शुगर क्रेविंग आ रही है तो आप शुगर का सब्स्टिट्यूट क्या ले सकते हो? You can have some good, you can have some dates in your life, or maybe पिज्जा की क्रेविंग आ रही है तो have some protein. It's a tip, जब आपको भूख लगती है have some protein. तो स्ट्रेस मैनेज करना बहुत जरूरी है आज की लाइफ में, because most of the problems, cancer, diabetes, heart problems, this is all because of stress. And then
Misha, just the way you said, it's a very good tip. Actually, there are people who eat, who do stress eating, so they can make it a habit to keep something in their pocket all the time, something in their
Yeah.
purse, like maybe dry fruits or chana mungfali type
yes,
combination, which
have
is high protein.
proteins. Yeah, yes, exactly.
Anything else you would recommend for high protein? Anything else for this
High
tip?
protein, I was about to recommend peanuts, chana,
Yeah.
and nuts.
These
You
things
can
we can
have
keep in our purse handy all the time.
all the time. This is a dietary tip also. If you want to lose weight, if you want to
Yeah.
correct your lifestyle, you keep a dabba of nuts with you anytime when you have hunger pangs. So where were we? We were at meditation. तो हमें शर्माना नहीं चाहिए मेडिटेट करने के लिए. मेडिटेट करो, आपका प्राणिक हील करो, आपके सारे, आप मेडिटेट करते हो, आप अपने सारे ऑर्गन्स को ऑक्सीजन देते हो, यू आर एनर्जाइजिंग योरसेल्फ. आप सारे सेल्स को ऑक्सीजन देते हो तो आपका दिमाग एक नई स्टाइल से सोचने लगेगा, आपको स्ट्रेस फ्री करेगा एंड बी मोटिवेटेड. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग डाइटिंग और व्हेन यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग दिस सस्टेनेबल डाइट, आपको मोटिवेटेड रहना है. वो कैसे रहोगे? यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट इन योर लाइफ, कि हम पेशेंटली इसको फॉलो करेंगे. हम अपने से फैट एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं कर सकते, बिल्कुल नहीं. एक्सरसाइज, नाउ एक्सरसाइज, बी इट योर डांसिंग, आपको डांस पसंद है डांस करो, आपको जिम पसंद है जिम करो, योगा पसंद है योगा करो, बट डू समथिंग, स्टार्ट स्ट्रेचिंग योरसेल्फ. आप इतना टाइम मैनेजमेंट करो. आप कहते हो हमारे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है एक्सरसाइज करने का. क्यों नहीं है हमारे पास टाइम एक्सरसाइज करने का? जब हम हमारे ऑफिस जा सकते हैं, हम हमारे घर में खाना बना सकते हैं, तो हम एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? हम 15 मिनट आधा घंटे से स्टार्ट तो कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइजिंग. व्हाई एक्सरसाइज? टू चैनलाइज. आपका जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है, आप अपनी बॉडी को नहीं हिलाओगे, जस्ट लाइक योर कार. अगर आपने लॉकडाउन में देखा होगा कि कार जाके स्टार्ट नहीं करी हो तो आपके कार पे जंक लग जाएगा, चलेगी नहीं, पंचर हो जाएगी. सो सेम अप्लाइज हियर. इफ यू डोंट एक्सरसाइज, आप हिलाओगे ही नहीं अपनी बॉडी, कुछ करोगे ही नहीं, तो अंदर का मैकेनिज्म वर्क कैसे करेगा? वो भी ठंडा ही बैठ जाएगा. आपका जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है वो चलेगा कैसे? सो एक्सरसाइज इज मस्ट. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज डाइट. ईट फॉर टुमारो. हम आज जो खा रहे हैं ना, आप ये सोचे कि मैं आज आई एम ईटिंग, how do I gonna look tomorrow? I'm stuffing myself, I'm gonna be look like burger. मैं पकोड़ा खा रही हूँ, मैं पकोड़ा ही लगूंगी. Obviously, this is truth. मैं vegetables खा रही हूँ, मैं fresh लगूंगी. Obviously. So, आप how you gonna want to be tomorrow? आपको कल कैसे रखना है? Eat for tomorrow. Think about it. And a basic diet is for energy. That's what I say. It's a fuel for your body. आपकी body को energy देनी है. It is entirely upon you कि आप अपनी body को energy कैसे दे रहे हैं, कैसी चीजों से दे रहे हैं और कैसे balance कर रहे हैं. So, and I would like to say diet and exercise go hand in hand. Half of the people say, अरे मेरा कुछ नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ 2 रोटी और सब्जी खाती तो भी weight loss नहीं हो रहा है. पर आर यू वर्किंग आउट? आपने कुछ एक्सरसाइज किया है? या जो आपने सालों से अपने 10 kgs बढ़ाए हैं, उसके लिए आपने उसको बर्न करने के लिए कुछ वर्कआउट किया है? यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट सडनली अदर डे दैट गिव मी सम डाइट और मैं लूज कर जाऊं. ये सालों की मेहनत है, जो आपने 10 किलो बढ़ाए हैं, 5 किलो, ये सालों की मेहनत है, आप इसे महीनों में नहीं घटा सकते, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड sleep is the major thing. Why sleep? जब आप सोते हैं 8 hours, तो आपके बॉडी का मैकेनिज्म अंदर वर्क करता है. And if you don't sleep nicely, so there are hormones which disturb your absorption, metabolism in the body. जो आपके फैट टिश्यूज इंक्रीज करने लग जाता है स्लीप डिप्रीवेशन से, और आपकी बॉडी में फैट इंक्रीज होता है. So I want everyone to understand that sleep is very much important. आप 8 घंटा सोइए, अपना मेटाबॉलिज्म ठीक करिए. अगर आप नहीं सोएंगे, आपकी बॉडी will not start absorbing the nutrients, will not start digesting your food, and then it will show on your face, on your body, and you'll age early. It's so sleep well and be good looking. Anti-aging hai, so sleep well, guys. So include meds in your life: meditation, exercise, diet, sleep. This is a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. Four
Wow.
things, 4 rules we need to include in our life. It's just nothing. Yeah, Kirti.
Wow, Misha, it's like something you've created in such a beautiful manner that we all will remember. And you put more important things first. Generally, I see people putting meditation in the last, and people don't even consider meditation. I think once US will patent the meditation, then we Indians will start realizing the importance of meditation. They are
Exactly.
already doing research. I'm really sorry that I couldn't show that video today, but I saw one video by Dr. Joy Dispenza. In that they are doing research on they are doing meditation, and they are doing research on brain's nerve cells. Earlier it was believed that nerve cells once damaged are remain damaged forever, but now they are doing research then why during meditation the new neuronal connections are formed. Brain is actually going towards anti-aging, the new cells are formed, the brain is repairing, and which was amazing video to watch. I'll definitely try to show to the audience next time. And I interrupted to say three things before you go ahead. One
Yeah.
is nobody is busy. It's all about priorities. So the problem is we all have time for everything, but we don't prioritize health.
True.
We prioritize looking good, but we don't prioritize health. We prioritize कि पतला होना है, but we don't prioritize overall health. Second thing is, if you don't find time for health today, tomorrow you will have to find time for disease. So there are people
Exactly.
who are saying, I don't have time, I don't have time, I don't have time. But when they are falling sick, their hands are getting fractured, or they're just falling and थोड़े से falls. I see patients जो छीके जोर से और उनकी rib fracture होगी. Imagine young people coming to my OPD, getting ultrasound done, यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, पता चला क्या बहुत गिर गए थे, नहीं बहुत जोर से खांसी कर लिए थे. तो इतनी कमजोर हड्डियां हैं कि खांसने से छींकने से, या पीपल ऑफ माय एज जरा सा स्कूटी से गिरे नहीं और हड्डी टूट गई, जबकि हम बचपन में कितना खेलते थे, कितना गिरते थे. मतलब ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम पे मील्स अलग होते थे, सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स, अदरवाइज हमें बीमारी के लिए टाइम निकालना ही पड़ेगा जब हम भर्ती होंगे. थर्ड थिंग इज you
no go ahead.
Third thing is the best way is to eat food which are grown in plant rather than which are things which are manufactured in plants.
Exactly.
The things manufactured in factories are to be avoided, and the things which are grown on plants are to be I'm done. Now you can continue.
So that's what I told you in earlier, like when we started, like health hum looks pe karte hain, so you can get your looks by your makeup, your tucks, your like what all things is massages and everything. You can get that looks, but these all are temporary. So just understand, अपने आप को अंदर से ठीक करिए, आप बाहर से अपना आप ठीक लगेंगे, अच्छे लगेंगे और यंग लगेंगे. Okay, so here we are going about myths. So that's what we discussed. This is our second point, myths about dieting. Okay, so first myth is zero carbs. So most of the people say कि carbs बहुत unhealthy होते हैं, we should not include them, and कल से मैं जीरो कार्ब, कल से कीटो, कल से तो प्रोटीन डाइट और मस्त नहीं. Carbs are necessary, guys. Please understand. आप कार्ब्स नहीं खाएंगे तो आपके ब्रेन सेल्स को एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी. Carbs are only thing which gives glucose, and glucose are necessary for your brain energy, for your brain cells. So you never go zero carbs, go for less carbs. No carbs, no. Less carbs, yes. You can go less carbs, but you can't do no carbs or zero carbs. So please improve this thing. ये जो concept है कि no carbs works, नहीं. It doesn't work. You will end up having some nutritional deficiency in your brain if you don't provide energy to your brain. And second thing is skip meals or starve. या मैंने तो आज सुबह का खाना नहीं खाया, फिर शाम को मुझे भूख लगी और मैंने दबा के खाया. ये कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है अभी कि मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, एक मील स्किप करूंगी, देन आई विल बी मेंटेन, आई विल बी फाइन. It won't work when you don't eat. First of all, when you don't eat and if you skip a meal, तो आपकी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए काम नहीं करती है. So your metabolism doesn't fire in your gut. वो स्टार्ट नहीं होता, वो फायर नहीं होता, तो बॉडी आपकी एनर्जाइज होगी नहीं, तो आप स्टार्व करेंगे. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, यू टेंड टू ईट मोर कैलोरीज व्हेन यू स्टार्व. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्किपिंग मील्स, हैव थोड़ा थोड़ा मील्स, थोड़ा खाइए, कम खाइए, पर you can't skip meals or you can't starve yourself. This is again unhealthy way of reducing weight. Then avoid your favorite food. ये तो big backout reason है सब लोगों का जो बैकआउट हो जाते हैं डाइट से, that you have to avoid your favorite food. See, everyone has a right to treat themselves once in a while. I agree on this page that I love kachoris, I love jalebis, and I do eat everything. I really eat. And why not? Even I have craving. I'm a human being. Being a dietitian, that doesn't mean कि मुझे craving नहीं आती है. मुझे आती है, मैं खाती हूँ. But मैं उसके बाद अपनी डाइट को कैसे बैलेंस करना है, नेक्स्ट डे हाउ आई हैव टू बैलेंस माई सेल्फ, आई डू दैट ऑल्सो. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल फॉरगेट, बारिश आ रही है आज तो कचौरी खाएंगे, पर कल क्या करेंगे उसका कोई नहीं सोचता है. वी ईट. सो ईट. सो व्हेन आई से ये जो डाइटिंग आप कर रहे हैं, आप 5 to 6 days अप्लाई करिए. 1 day eat and second day balance yourself again, balance your diet again. So eat, don't give up your cravings until unless it is hazardous to you. So under which the point which I'll come in later, when it is you have some disease या diabetes है और आप दबा के खा रहे हो, वैसा नहीं है. तो वो मैं point आपको बाद में बताऊंगी कि how you can eat your favorite food without having guilt and enjoying yourself in this sustainable lifestyle. Okay, then fourth myth है thin is healthy. Thin people do have cholesterol, they do have heart attack, they are under nutrition. ऐसा है, उनमें भी deficiency होती है. So it is.
I've seen patients who are thin who are coming with angiography, telling the doctors have said that we have blocks, and now they're suspecting the doctor because how can I have a block in my artery because I'm thin? So I think doctor ने जानबूझ के ऐसा किया है. But I want people to understand that doctor जानबूझ के कर नहीं सकता because they are actually giving you recording of the CD of your own heart. Why will people misguide you when you can actually show that CD to anybody? Nobody will lie. So thin people are having more cholesterol issues.
Yes, they do have, because उन्हें तो लगता है कि they are working perfectly, and I have seen lot of people who are overweight, they are working really fine. They are actually very fit. वो अपना routine अच्छे से follow करते हैं. वो actually अपनी family का ध्यान देते हैं. They are not tired. They work, they roam around. But we say नहीं, ये तो पतला है, ये healthy है, मैं मोटी हूँ, मैं. ये जो concept है, ये हमें clear करना पड़ेगा कि not overweight और हल्का सा weight आगे होने वाला always unhealthy. I agree that overweight is a starting point of all other disease, but you can't say that thin person is healthy and every overweight person is not healthy. Most of the overweight person, they don't have thyroid, they don't have any diabetes, but they are overweight. But that's okay. If they have stamina, they have fitness, they can get back to their weight back, ideal weight back. Then let's come to the fifth myth, rapid weight loss. So Facebook पे ऐड आते हैं 5 kg कम करिए 1 महीने में, and lot of people they say yes I want to, please give me, without exercise, without diet, please tell me कैसे कम करना है. And even people have fat expectation from a dietitian also कि ये dietitian यार 5 किलो तो कम कराओ तभी तुम्हारी बात मानेंगे, 1 महीने में 5 किलो 10 किलो. So this is what, understand one thing, ideal weight loss is only 2.5 to 3 kgs in a month, which will not have any nutritional deficiency in your body. You will go on healthy weight. If you're reducing 5 to 10 kgs and forcing yourself, obviously check yourself, you must be having any nutritional deficiency. कुछ ना कुछ अंदर का mechanism खराब हो चुका होगा, because you're forcing yourself, you're depriving yourself from healthy food, you're skipping your meals, you're having meal replacements, you're having smoothies and all. आपने 1 महीना smoothies खाई या detox किया, या you go for naturopathy, or I'm not here to say anything, but आप 1 महीने के centers में जाते हैं, health centers, to reduce, and you'll be so happy 15 किलो गया मेरा. क्यों? क्योंकि सिर्फ आपने vegetable juice पिया है and ये किया. But how long will you sustain with vegetable juice? It's not our lifestyle. हमारा lifestyle है, we are having 3 meals, we are having proper roti, rice and everything. So don't go for all this कि आपने 1 महीना खुद को force किया and 2-3 months back you're back again, you have put on another 15 kgs in your body back, because you can't be having vegetable juice, smoothies, detox plans all through your life. You can't. So understand this thing, rapid weight loss is a myth. जो आप जाते हैं कि हाँ बहुत लोग इंटरेस्टेड भी होते हैं 5 किलो, ये सालों की मेहनत है आपका जो वेट बढ़ा है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट, ये सालों की मेहनत है आपकी. और लास्ट थिंग, वन शूज फिट्स ऑल, इट्स नॉट राइट. कल को कोई आपके पास आ गया, यार मैंने तो इंटरमिटेंट किया, मैंने यार 10 किलो घटा लिया, एंड यू सेड यार कल से मैं भी घटा लेता हूँ. नो, जरूरी नहीं है कि जो डाइट, जो रूटीन द अदर पर्सन इज फॉलोइंग, इफ यू फॉलो द सेम, it will work on you. Understand your inner things, आपके अंदर का ये कैसे चल रहा है, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. हो सकता है सामने वाले को थायराइड नहीं है और आपको थायराइड है, आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो हुआ है. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट कि इंटरमिटेंट आपने भी किया और आप भी 15 किलो घट जाएंगे, या आपका बॉडी क्लॉक या आपकी हैबिट्स आपको अलाउ कर दे इंटरमिटेंट के लिए. सो डोंट थिंक कि इसने किया तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. This is again a big myth. So I would really suggest understand yourself first rather than going for जो इतने सारे डाइट जो गूगल में आपको बताता है. This is all generalized dieting कि आप generalized way में क्या कर सकते हैं. It's not customized. आपको आपकी बॉडी, आपके अंदर की प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर सब कस्टमाइज कोई नहीं देगा. All Google diets are generalized diets. Please understand that. It's not necessary it will work on you if it has work on other person. So here we are done with the myths about diet, and let's go to the next slides. So this is a tip from me, those who are dieting and those, what I was saying कि हम दबा के खा रहे हैं, you don't have to give up your cravings. And how to do that, let's start with this thing. So how to do that is 3 concepts: balance, burn and curtail. So understand these 3 concepts, that balance, burn and curtail diet में कैसे work करता है. First of all, balance, आप balance कैसे करेंगे. First of all, जो आप food खाते हैं, it should be full of carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, सब कुछ होना चाहिए. You can't be doing like मैं आज fruit नहीं खाऊंगी, मैं आज carbs नहीं खाऊंगी, या fat भी necessary है but उसका एक limit होता है. So have a balanced food like अपने ancestors खाते थे. When they used to have meal, they used to have थोड़ा बहुत चावल, थोड़ा बहुत दाल, sabji, roti, they have salads too. बट हमारे फूड में तो पापड़ भी होता है, अचार भी होता है और भुजियाज भी होते हैं. So this is not our balanced food. Our balanced food is complete not outside products. Our balanced food is vegetables, fruits, cereals, grains, pulses. So include more of these things in your diet. So have a balanced diet. Other meaning of balanced diet is tasty today, raw tomorrow. आज मन किया बाहर का खाना खाया, आज बहुत मन किया, I have give up, मैंने खाया. But how will you balance it tomorrow? Like what I said, that I do have kachori, but I know how to balance that. So understand this balancing. When you eat or binge today, how will you balance tomorrow? So go raw tomorrow. आज बहुत आपको पता है आपने बहुत खा लिया है, आज आपने बहुत कैलोरी इनटेक कर लिया है बॉडी में. How would you balance that? Next day, go raw. Go raw means more of salads, more of curds, less food, less intake. आप सब्जियों पे ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, आप अपने फ्रूट्स पे ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, आप कर्ड खाइए, बटर मिल्क खाइए, और इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग हैवी कैलोरी मील अगेन टुमारो. सो वो फैट इकट्ठा होता ही जाएगा आपकी बॉडी में. सो डोंट डू दैट. If you have eaten more today, go raw tomorrow. Go raw, have salads, be light, have light food. This is how you can balance your calories, you can balance your food intake. And then second thing is burn. आपने खाया और आपने burn क्या किया? So the major thing is why we are gaining weight. We are gaining weight is we are eating a lot. We are eating, but we are not burning that. हमने खाया, बैठ गए, काम किया, उठे, वापस खाना बनाया, वापस खाया, फिर बैठ गए. आपने उसको burn करने के लिए क्या किया? Have you done any exercise? Have you done any walking? Anything physically, have you done that? We have not done that. And then we complain, yaar, mera to weight put on ho gaya. It will, because you're not burning what you're taking inside. Either you take that much which is necessary for your body. आप इतना ही खाना खाना है, स्मॉल प्लेट में खाना है, थोड़ा खाना है, खाइए जितना आपको एनर्जी के लिए जरूरी है. If you're taking more than your energy and you're not burning it, this will lead to overweight or obesity and other health problems. Your body has enormous capacity to hold fat. आपने कभी देखा है जो खा रहा है उसका फैट कहीं जा रहा है सिवाय बॉडी के अलावा? नहीं. If you're taking it inside, it will blow up. वो आपकी body has enormous capacity. You can give more, you'll blow up more. So your fat will not, it will just stick to your organs, stick to your body, and it will be there. So understand that you burn your calories when you eat more, when you eat more than you want, just burn your calories. And then curtail. Curtail is, you need to curtail some unhealthy habits in your life. Curtail means not stop. आप stop करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा है, but not everybody can do it. Be practical. So हमें unhealthy habits कम करनी है. Like how what we have lot many processed food in our life. Biscuits starts from biscuits, Bonvita. We starts from outside food, very junk food, and we tend to eat it. मैकडॉनल्ड्स खा लेंगे, हम बिस्किट्स खा लेते हैं, भूख लगी तो बिस्किट्स खा लिया, फिर नमकीन उठा के खा लिया, चिप्स खा ली. And we are, so the first thing is all of these foods had lot of sodium, lot of sugar, lot of unhealthy oil, which is palm oil, which is very cancerous, very much cancerous. So we need to curtail these things in your life. कर्टेल स्लोली इन चीजों को कम करिए अपनी लाइफ में, कम लाइए, कम खाइए इसको, इनकी जगह हेल्दी थिंग्स अपनाइए, which I'll give you in my later guidelines, like what you can compensate, what you can substitute again this processed food, again this processed bhujiyas. You have lot many things in your kitchen जो आप उठ के बना के खा सकते हैं या आप रेडीमेड रख सकते हैं बना के, rather than getting things from outside. So understand this thing, curtail few things in your life. I'm not saying कि आप कभी भुजिया चखे ही मत. आप चख सकते हैं, but only चखे. So that is why eat food for your mind, not for your body. आप चखिए, आप 1 चम्मच चख लीजिए खुद की खुशी के लिए, 2 चम्मच चख लीजिए, but not for your body. अरे यार, just take it. Just eat for your mind. अच्छा लग रहा है, खाया, 2 बार खाया, खत्म किया. So this is have things. That is why I'm saying it will be sustainable. क्योंकि आप खा तो सकते हैं जो आप चाहते हैं, but limit करिए, curtail करिए. And not every day is Sunday, which I said you like burn. Every day you can't take it inside and not burning your calories, not doing any exercise. You will end up getting overweight and everything unhealthy. So this is a way forward. Just remember these 3 things: balance, burn, and curtail. This will maintain your weight. This will take you to weight loss also, and this will make you healthy too. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so we are done with this, how to manage your sustainable lifestyle, how to do it. And then thing is, what is healthy food habits? Healthy food habits is water. Hydrate yourself. Water, which is one thing which it is a nutrient, by the way, everybody, if you all know, it is a forgotten nutrient. It is very, see, Kirti started drinking water. Okay, so you need to hydrate yourself for your digestion, absorption, and everything. So आपको पानी तो बहुत जरूरी है, वेट लॉस के लिए भी जरूरी है. पानी बहुत पीजिए, आपके हेयर, स्किन, बॉडी, वेट सब के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि वो अंदर जाके आपका डाइजेशन एनहांस करता है. आपका your 70% body is water, so that doesn't mean कि आप बाहर से वाटर नहीं पीजिए, आपका पानी जरूरी है.
I keep a bottle wherever I go. That is the best way to remember to drink water. Wherever I sit, there is a bottle. Wherever I sleep, there is a bottle. Whenever I drive a car, even if for 5 minutes there is a bottle in the car, and I take my bottle to the workplace. That is, I think, the only way to remember drinking water.
Yes. Then omega-3. Why omega-3 is for your brain, for your again eyes, hair, skin. What all you got? Omega-3 किस में मिलेगा आपको? Seeds, flax seeds, nuts, dry fruits. ये सब में आपको omega-3 मिलेगा. So include this in your lifestyle. आप ये, that's what I was saying, Kirti, के make a dabba of nuts. So you will get omega-3 in your life, in your daily routine. Plus it is very healthy. It again has proteins. So those who are vegetarians, they can have some substitute of protein also. Then include less calories. Less calorie food is your fruits and vegetables. Take more of that. Take more of that. That means कि आपको धीरे धीरे अपने lifestyle में एक bowl, start with 1 bowl or small, half kakdi, half carrot. Start with that. We always, what we do, एक तो हम खाना बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खाते हैं, और जल्दी जल्दी खाने के चक्कर में हम वो खाते हैं जो हमें पसंद है. We forget all these things कि कौन खाएगा ये सब. Let's have whatever is cooked, I'll have that. So we forget this. So always include fruits. Fruits are antioxidant. आधी बीमारियां आपकी कम हो जाएगी. Fruits include करेंगे अपने lifestyle में. I've got lot many clients who don't eat fruits at all, and I always insist them that include fruit. Why are you not including fruit? Include fruit. It is a major antioxidant. You need to have fruits. You need to have colorful diets of vegetables and fruits. Then your gut health. आधी से ज्यादा बीमारी तो गैस और एसिडिटी पे ही हो जाती है कि मुझे बहुत गैस हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत एसिडिटी हो रही है. And we tend to forget कि जब हम खाना खाते हैं, अंदर जो burning sensation है, we need to have something for our gut. अपने gut means stomach. आपका stomach कैसे healthy रखे? So have that food which keep your stomach healthy, like your curds, bananas, your daliyas, your bajra की rotis. You can have that. Not आप अपने gut के लिए ख्याल रखिए. 2-3 दिन में एक बार, एवरी डे तो इंक्लूड करना ही चाहिए. 2-3 दिन में एक बार भाकरी खाइए, एक बार दलिया खाइए, तो आपका गट इंप्रूव रहेगा. एंड रादर देन हैविंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ गैस एंड एसिडिटी, इट विल क्लेंस योर स्टमक. Yeah, tell me.
Bhakri is ज्वार की रोटी.
Yeah, you can have jwar, bajra, and all. These all are fiber. These all things have fiber, which will actually improve your gut health. And last is balanced food, which I said everyone. सब include करिए आपके dietary routine में. There should be a dairy product. There should be fruits and vegetables. There should be grains, cereals. There should be nuts. And for non-vegetarians, you can have egg whites. You can have chicken, which is less fattening. जो है. So you can include this in your lifestyle. My daily routine, my daily diet should include all these things rather than not having any one thing or having one thing missing. Then the second thing is your oil. I would request all moms, all housewives, everyone, please while cooking food, just think twice how much quantity you're putting while cooking. This is the fat is the very what you say बहुत सबसे ज्यादा कैलोरी वाली चीज है. इरेस्पेक्टिव आपका रोटी चावल छोड़ के सबसे ज्यादा कैलोरीज जो बॉडी में देता है जो जिसके पास है वो है फैट. फैट इंक्लूड्स योर ऑयल, घी, बटर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड हमें लगता है कि फूड तभी टेस्टी बनेगा जब हम अच्छा सारा बटर लगाएंगे, अच्छा सारा ऑयल डालेंगे, एंड वी थिंक ओ आई एम हैप्पी, माय फैमिली हैज ईटन फुल फूड, आज उनको टेस्टी लगा है. सो प्लीज इंस्टेड ऑफ मेरा राजा बेटा खाएगा, जस्ट थिंक मेरा राजा बेटा बीमार हो जाएगा. तो जस्ट हैव दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड कि जब आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुक कर रहे हैं, थिंक ट्वाइस व्हाइल पुटिंग ऑयल इन फॉर द कुकिंग. थिंक ट्वाइस कि आप कितना डाल सकते हो. Ideally, this is one tip for each and everyone who's listening this session. This 2 teaspoon is enough for 4 people. It's irrespective कि अगर आपका खाना टेस्टी बन रहा है कि नहीं, you are the one who's cooking is responsible for your loved one's health. अगर हम ही सोच रहे हैं कि टेस्टी बनाएं और rather than been thinking कि उनको healthy कैसे बनाएं, so we are the main culprits. Understand this thing, and especially for, I'm telling you, for oil, ghee, fat things, understand this thing. Frying and everything is okay, have it, no problem, but think twice. Tasty ya healthy, this is your choice. So next time when you go and cook food, understand how much oil you need to put. Next thing is sugar. Again, this is an empty calories. It has calories, but it doesn't give you any nutrient. That is why we say it is empty calories. Means वो तुम्हें कुछ फायदा नहीं देती है, but वो तुम्हारी कैलोरी पक्का बढ़ाती है. So फिर हम सोचते हैं कि oh wow, केक खा लिया, ये खा लिया, but you will gain nothing except your weight while having gain. So find sugar substitutes in your life. केक खाइए, बर्थडे बनाइए, सब करिए, पर not every day, not every time dessert की craving आ रही है तो you need to have sugar in that dessert. You can substitute your desserts with some dates, some dry fruits डाल के उसमें, या maybe stevia डालिए. Stevia is again organic, which I can tell you. You can use this. This is again a tip for everyone. Use stevia. It is again organic. It is a methi tulsi. So it is healthy for everyone with no calories, no side effects, total organic. So always think about it when you're hungry or when you have sugar craving, how would you change it? Having a dates and everything. Third thing and last thing, you should avoid junk food. Avoid means, I know practically it is not possible to totally not having these things. You can have this, but try to avoid. हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता में एक बार खाइए, अपने आप को खुश कर लीजिए, then balance yourself. But you need to avoid, this is whole lot of sodium, sugar, processed oil, very cancerous, very, very bad for your health. The moment all these things introduced in our life, we were good. हमारे पेरेंट्स के जो पेरेंट्स थे उनकी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत अच्छी थी. They didn't have this home delivery concept, hotel concept. they used to eat well. Then हमारे parents का भी काफी healthy eating था. So do धीरे धीरे हमारे time पे we used to go out, we used to have food, but again it was less because we were more introduced to our home cooked food. And lastly, now हमारे बच्चे या हमारी generation है, we are giving them outside food. Let's not say that we don't give it, we give it, we accept this. But for your coming generation, for yourself, इसको limit कर दीजिए, limit yourself, limit this outside food. Try to balance your kids' food too. आपने आज बाहर का खिलाया तो कल उसे क्या न्यूट्रिशनल देंगे कि उसका बॉडी में एडवर्स इफेक्ट नहीं आए. So this is healthy guidelines for you all to understand. Just apply these guidelines, have a healthy lifestyle. But moreover, there's one point which I have missed. I wanted to tell you, everyone, instead of physical appearance, good looking and everything, you need to first think about to cure your complications. Your body, if you have any problem, any ailment in your life, first look towards that, understand that, उसको कैसे ठीक करना है, read about that, पहले उसे ठीक करिए, फिर डाइटिंग, फिर वेट पे आइए. You just think one thing कि पहले जो प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे अंदर चल रही है उसको ठीक करेंगे, धीरे धीरे आपका वेट भी ठीक हो जाएगा, आपकी बॉडी भी ठीक हो जाएगी, you started feeling good. And I have missed one point. See, when you start sustainable lifestyle, there are things which you need to know. Understand about your genetics first. आपके फैमिली की जेनेटिक्स क्या चल रही है? Is there diabetes in your diabetic person in your family? There's blood pressure in your family. Understand that. So it might be possible कि आपको भी आए. So start working from today onwards to not get this complication or to improvise this complication if you have. Then understand your body clock. And first and last thing, give time to yourself. Please, I tell you that in 6 months, losing 10% of your weight is better rather than losing 20 kgs, 10 kgs in few months, in 2-3 months. So just understand one thing, give time to yourself, be motivated. Don't say that it's not, सोच रहे हैं कि आप ये lose नहीं हो रहा है, then go and seek some expert advice. Why it is not happening? Is there some hormonal imbalance in my life, in my body? Is there some, my complications are hindering that? Something is not going right. Should I correct that first? And then go for another weight loss. And last thing, train your mind. दिमाग से ही सब कुछ है. So when you make your mind strong, you will be strong. You will have this sustainable lifestyle. So train your mind slowly that I want to be healthy, I want to be sustainable, rather than going intermittent keto, ye wo, you will be go back. Your mind won't be strong. So actually feed your mind and not your body. So train your mind, guys. Train your mind. Be strong, and you will be healthy, and you will have this sustainable lifestyle. So this is from me. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Misha. Thank you. It was a very informative session. बहुत ही ज़्यादा myths थे और बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे concepts थे जो आज मेरे खुद के भी clear हुए हैं. And so there are a lot of questions, Misha.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
I'll read those questions for you, and please answer.
Sure.
Okay, the questions are okay, sleep is important. Sleep is important, but 8 hours sleep is almost impossible for working women. So there is this concern which says that sleep is important, but 8 hours sleep is almost impossible for working women.
Okay. So for this working woman, I know you're very much stressed in your life. I know it's not possible 8 hours sleep, but start inculcating your increasing your sleep hours. आप अभी 5 घंटे सो रही हैं तो 6 घंटे. Have milk before sleeping. Have do meditation before sleeping, and you will have a stress-free sleep, and slowly increase your sleep.
Yeah, also improving quality of sleep might help for working
Yeah.
women, because if we focus more on good quality sleep, then that will also help.
I want to add a point to this question, that I was also I was very bad with sleeping, but of lately I have also increased and ensured that my sleep time is increased. One very big thing which I have done is the social media detox after 8 p.m. That is like the biggest, strongest tip which I can give to anyone or any woman who is dealing with work, with kids and everything. It's very important to just detach yourself, one, with the social media thing, not just you, your family as well.
Yeah.
And second thing is that you have to your eating habits, the whole family has to bring in a very health, the dinner part has to come back. It has to come from 10 p.m. to 7 p.m. Only then the women will be sleeping. अगर घर में बाकी सभी 10 बजे खा रहे हैं, so the poor woman, you will not be able to get the sleep, so you have to cut down and bring the dinner a little forward. So next question for Misha is, what is the exact way to take meals like breakfast, lunch and dinner, and how much calories?
Okay. See, the exact way, yes, you can have, that's what I said, like, what is your lifestyle? If you're having 3 or 4 meals, exact way is 3 meals, 3 major meals, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then evening snacks would be very less calories, where we tend to eat more. We tend to eat vada pavs, we tend to eat whatever we like. This is big hazardous. So just think this, guys, while having evening snacks, while having tea, avoid, have chana and all this. 3 major meals. And calories, see, ideally depends on the person, the calorie intake. If you take a normal average person, your each 3 meals includes somewhat around 350, 400 calories. Your dinner and lunch should be 500 calories. So that how you will be coming to 1300, 1400 calorie. But now again, this is customized person to person. What is your body, what is your weight right now? So it is customized person to person, how much calorie you should have. Ideal person should have, yeah, Kirti. Yeah. So ideal person should have almost close to 1300, 1400 calories in a day.
Okay. So the next question is, does no carb after 7 work?
It does work, but again, that's what I said. It depends on you. Do you really have food after 7 or you don't have? That is the main question. Obviously, कि अगर आप खाना नहीं खा रहे हो 7 बजे के बाद, it will work. आप खाना खा रहे हो 7 बजे के बाद, तो आप अपनी बॉडी क्लॉक से जाइए. आप खाना उस हिसाब से हेल्दी डिनर बनाइए. Like what we say, like eat like a beggar when you have a dinner. So have chilas, have less carbs while having dinner. So think about that. Have less carbs if you want.
I think we Indians follow the other way around. Breakfast light करते हैं, lunch फिर भी थोड़ा heavy करते हैं, dinner तो मतलब
डिनर हम बहुत करते हैं. तो आइडियली अगेन इट इज कस्टमाइज कि अगर आप रात को 10 बजे आपका रूटीन चल रहा है, तो उस 10 बजे को आप कैसे हेल्दी बनाओगे? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. It really depends on you.
Okay. Next question says, please give some suggestions about diabetes, the percentage of carbs, protein, and fat that has to be included for diabetic person.
See, diabetic person, I think you should write to me so I can give you your customized as per your weight, as per your thing. Yeah, I have my email ID, reinventlife@gmail.com, because I can't give you roughly like this. I have to examine your reports and everything, and then I can tell you like how much calories or how much percentage you should have.
Certainly, that makes sense. So, I think Shivesh has asked this question. Shivesh, you can write back to Misha, and she will take it forward from them and give you your customary diet. Another question is that one thing you would recommend to strictly keep out of diet.
Strictly keep out of diet. Okay. So strictly keep out of diet is junk food. I would say processed food. Processed food. If you can keep away,
Okay.
processed food. I would really go for this. जितना हो सके कम बाहर का खाइए, घर का खाइए.
But Misha, just to add on to this question, we know कि हमें कम खाना है, we know कि हमें बाहर का नहीं खाना है, but हमारी lifestyle जितनी ज़्यादा busy है. So for example, for people like working people, we are working daily, like especially for someone who's into sales or someone who is into meeting a lot of people, traveling in and out here and there. तो वहाँ पे वो diet कैसे follow कर सकता है? मतलब जब sales में कोई है.
Yeah, easy thing. When those who have stressful life, those who have a field job, I would really recommend these people to make small dabbas. Please make small dabbas. Have makhanas in your dabbas, have chanas, have dry fruits in your dabbas, which will actually curb your hunger pangs when you have food, and you won't tend to eat more. जब भूख लगेगी तो बाहर का खाना दिखेगा आपको, खाने के लिए मन भी करेगा, but जो आपका body clock है, अगर आपको उस टाइम भूख लग रही है and you are suppressing that, instead of suppressing that, have your छोटा सा डब्बा which you are carrying with you. So this is small tips. छोटे डब्बे आप अपने bags में actually रख सकते हैं.
I'm just wondering, ये भी एक extra effort है ना? So how much effort we'll actually do this, getting up every day in the morning and thinking अरे डब्बा भी बनाना है.
छोटे बनाने हैं, और ये all ready-made things हैं. आपको चने बाहर मिलते हैं, आपको मखाने मिलते हैं. और dry fruits आप घर में रख सकते हो.
Very useful. Very useful. Another question is how much amount of dry fruit should be taken daily?
See, again it comes into healthy fat. तो आपका एक minimum quantity होना चाहिए. Suppose you can have 4 to 5 almonds, dates, 2 dates in one whole walnut, 2 raisins, black raisins in your. This is the minimum quantity which I'm suggesting right now for everyone for ideal daily lifestyle. You can include that. Other than that, if you are hungry, you can just have more 4-5 almonds or walnuts if you want.
Yeah, someone is saying that his uncle is into farming and he prefers not to eat salads because of the pesticides that are used in growing salads or the vegetables. Anything you would want to comment here?
Yeah, it is there and we can't help it. Either you go to organic, which they claim organic, but you don't have any proof that it is organic or not. So I would really suggest that if it is not healthy, but it is much way better than what you're having outside.
Correct.
What you're having, what processed food you're having, it is much better to have these vegetables. At least you'll get some nutrient. It is not hazardous so much what you have outside. So we can't prove like something is really organic or not, but these things do have nutrients. These things are healthy, so you need to have it.
Yeah. So what's about Shankh Prakchalya? What is Shankh Prakchalya? If I've
you need to tell me, the person who's asked me, you need to explain me first, because even I'm not aware of this.
Okay. So Shankh Prakchalya. Okay, we'll discuss on this in some time. Before, let me complete lots of questions coming in. So can we have jaggery instead of sugar?
Yes, obviously. But that too depends. See, if it is a diabetic person, that person can go for dates or something. Jaggery is again made up of sugar only, sugar cane only. So have little bit.
Yeah.
Thoda sa khaiye, you'll get iron, but thoda sa khaiye. You can't have a pura jaggery ka. So have bit of it. You can have it.
Yeah. Okay. And so wait, there is so many things coming in.
Okay, I want to say something.
Yes.
Where is my screen? I can't see anything.
We can see you.
Yeah.
We can see you.
Okay. Okay. So Neelam Gupta ji has given many suggestions. She is a Ayurveda practitioner, and I want my audience to our audience to know that we are planning a session with Neelam Gupta ji as well, and she will enlighten us about there are body types according to Ayurveda, and there are things according to Ayurveda regarding how to eat, how much to eat, and was so we will have another session in maybe April last week.
Yeah.
We want to include all aspects and we want to cover everything. So 2-3 things that came to my mind. One was when Misha said that we have to eat slow. So here I would like to say that I have heard somewhere that खाने को 32 बार चबा के खाना चाहिए. So that slow is ideally recommended. So how we are actually counting. People are actually cursing people कि अरे ये तो बहुत slow खाना खाती है. So I think we should stop this conversation and start appreciating those people who are eating actually slow food.
So this is one of the trick not to have like not to gorge on your food or not to hog your food. This is one of your trick. So this is a tricky trick you can apply.
Because stomach gives the message to brain a bit late that it is full. So when we are eating slow, by the time we are eating, the message reaches to the brain. But when we are eating fast, the brain is still getting message that I'm hungry, but stomach is full. So the messenger is late. So yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I have some more questions. I just want to, answer all the questions coming in from the people because it looks like they're very excited and waiting for the answers. So there is one question who says tea is bad for health. If I take a tea more than one time in a day, so more teas.
See, it is bad. It is not bad for your health. There are some conditions where caffeine is not allowed, but ideally it is a metabolism enhancer. So if you have tea or caffeine, it will increase your metabolism. But provided when you make a tea, aapka tea full of sugar and milk ho jayega, so obviously it is bad for your health. So that's what I said. Like when you inculcating a sustainable lifestyle, think about how to make your food healthy. What you are eating, what you are having, you try to make that healthy. So when you're having tea, have a black tea, less sugar, or use stevia, less milk. It will be healthy. Why would it not be? It is a metabolism enhancer.
Yeah, makes sense. I love tea actually. So I'll take this suggestion. Any suggestions for diet for osteoporotic women who are prone to fractures?
You can actually write me. See, again, this thing all solely depends on your reports. Your reports will tell me what is your counts and everything, and then according to that, I can suggest you your diet. Because this is very generalized question. Like generalized, I can't give you like what you can have diet and all.
Okay. So all those who've got personal questions or those who have questions related to their diets, what they should do, what they should not do, probably you can all email to Misha and she'll get back to you because I think she's written her email ID. Also, we will share it in the link in the chat box. I'll take more general questions over here. So in the interest of all, so here it is said that you mentioned eat according to body clock. My sleep timings are from 4 a.m. to 11 and I eat at 3 a.m. before sleep. Should I continue with that body clock?
Ideally, what you can do, you can increase the gap. If you're having 3 o'clock food, you can just increase that gap. Have your food by 1:30, 2 o'clock. At least 2 hour fasting will be there before your sleep. Otherwise, it will be your sleep will hinder if your food is not getting digested. So I would recommend that not 3, go for 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Try that.
Yeah. Anything you would suggest for as a diet for PCOS?
Yeah, PCOS diet. Please use fiber in your diet. Lot of dalias, lot of this thing bhakris in your diet. Instead of go gluten free. Gluten free as in like okay. I'm not saying stop roti. You like roti, have less rotis, but start with bhakris. They are gluten free. They are very much enhancing. They will cure your uterus, your inside gut and everything. So go and have dalias and bhakris for PCOD.
Yeah. Any special diet if you have cholesterol? As my doctor is saying, genetic issues. Maybe
Genetic issues.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do have genetic issues, so you need to correct that. First of all, limit your intake of oil, and then introduce healthy fats like omega-3 flax seeds in your lifestyle, nuts in your lifestyle. These are healthy fats, and reduce this fat first. Limit your oil, ghee, and butter.
Yeah. I think Meher has a question, but I cannot see Meher online. Meher, can you just raise your hand again and I'll unmute you? Till then, I'll take another question. Should we have something before we start any sort of workout?
Ideally, workout should be done empty stomach, because then you will not have puking issues, you will not feel full. So like before, those who are going for a gym or something, I would suggest to have your nuts before that. If you really feel weak, then have nuts and go. Or otherwise keep a gap of 1.5 hour, 2 hours before going to gym or doing any kind of workout, be it yoga, be it dancing, everything.
Yeah. What time is best for eating fruits?
Best time eating fruits is your early morning. So suppose you have breakfast, those who have breakfast, then you have a gap between your lunch and breakfast. So that gap you can compensate with having a fruit. This will end up that you will have a less lunch. You will not hog on your lunch if you're feeling hungry. So instead, in your evening snacks, in gap between breakfast and lunch, you can include fruits.
Yeah. Okay. I think yeah, there are others. Other are suggestions from Dr. Neelam Gupta. She's saying eat according to the season rather than off-season items like fruits, cereals, and vegetables.
Obviously,
Yeah.
I do suggest everyone, like आपको watermelon पूरे साल मिल जाएगा, अभी तो आम भी मिल रहे हैं, I don't know कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, और is this like last year का जो save करके रखा है. So please guys, have according to the season. Watermelon गर्मियों के लिए अच्छा होता है, ठंडा होता है. आम भी गर्मियों के लिए अच्छा होता है. अभी आप जब सर्दियां हैं तो हैव बाजरास इन योर डाइट, आपको गर्म रखेगा, आपको अच्छा फील होएगा. और समर में खाइए नाचनी, कैल्शियम भी मिलेगा. तो एज पर सीजन, डोंट हैव नॉन सीजनल फूड्स. I do suggest this.
Yeah. Anyone else, if anything, anyone else wants to ask any questions, and probably if I've missed out, please raise your hands and maybe I can unmute you. We have like another 5-7 minutes more. Anyone, anything they want to share?
Yes, you can share anything if you want.
And yeah, we'll. I think. Can we take bowl of fruits and vegetables mixed together?
Fruits and vegetables mixed together, I would suggest no, have it separately, because some fruits have antioxidants. You can have your whole fruit with you and enjoy that nutrient, that antioxidant fully. Then why we suggest vegetables before lunch or dinner is to keep you full and give you healthy diet, and you eat less while having your cooked food.
Yeah.
So these vegetables, your salads and everything is before your lunch, before your dinner. I would say go for that time. Fruits, have it when you have evening snacks and anything. Don't mix it. Enjoy every fruit separately and enjoy that fruit's nutrient.
Yeah. So I've unmuted Dr. Neelam Gupta. You can share. We can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. एक्चुअली मैं आयुर्वेद से हूँ, तो मुझे जो है आयुर्वेदिक एस्पेक्ट भी बताना अच्छा लगेगा. अब यहाँ पे सब लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क है, तो उसमें बताया गया है कि आहार मात्रा पुनर्अगली बल अपेक्षणी, मतलब हमेशा आहार की मात्रा जो है इंडिविजुअल सोचे कि वो उतना खा लेता है, उतना खा लेता है, पर तुम्हारी जो जितनी भूख है, अपनी जो अमाउंट है, उसको पचा सकने की शक्ति सबको पता है कि हम कितना खा सकते हैं, हमारे लिए कितना ओवर हो जाता है, कितना रहता है सही, तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग खाए। इसमें ना जाए कि मैं कितने टाइम खाऊं, क्या खाऊं, जब भी खाए वो भूख से खाए, जब भी भूख लगता है, चाहे वो छोटा डिब्बा बना के खाए, पर उसको जो है अपनी भूख को सेटिस्फाई करना है, मतलब तो अगर भूख लगी तो उसे खाना है, ठीक है। तो भूख भी दो तरीके की होती है, एक जो बीमारी में होते हैं थायराइड वाला, या जो हम उसमें, तो वो जो है फॉल्स अग्नि होती है, उसको हमें ध्यान में रखना है कि वो अग्नि में हमें विशेष तौर से बहुत ध्यान रख के खाना है, और कितना खाना है, क्या क्या पोर्शन खाना है। तो हमारा इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन इतना अच्छा है, मतलब जो फूड स्टाइल है वो इतना अच्छा है कि उसमें बताया गया है कि अन्येन कुक्षे द्वावंशौ पानेनेकम प्रपूरयेत आशयम पवनादिनाम चतुर्थम अवशेषयेत। मतलब जो सॉलिड पार्ट है उसको 2 अंश खाना है, अपनी स्टमक का जितना भूख है उसका 2 पार्ट जो है, 2% जो रेशियो है, 2 पार्ट जो रेशियो है, उसको जो हमें सॉलिड खाना है, और 1 अंश जो है बीच में पानी पीना है खाने के, ना तो पहले पीना है ना तो बाद में पीना है, ठीक है। 1 अंश पानी के लिए जरूर होना चाहिए, और चौथा अंश जो है अपना टमी का, स्टमक का जो है, वो हमें एम्प्टी छोड़ना है, ताकि वो मिक्स होने के लिए उसको स्पेस मिल पाए, ठीक है। चतुर्थम पवनादिनाम चतुर्थम अवशेष्यत। तो ये हर एक के लिए जो है कितना खाए, वो कितना मात्रा में ले। तो जैसे हमारे इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ फूड में आइटम्स में ये होता है कि दाल होता है तो उसमें पानी होती है ना, वो ड्राई होता है, सांबर होता है, इडली होती है तो वो सॉलिड है, तो ये पोर्शन होता है, तो इस अकॉर्डिंग वो खाए। मतलब हमारा इंडियन वाले को तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं, अगर हम अपना नानी दादा वाला जो खाना खा रहे हैं अगर वो खाएं तो हमारी थाली वैसी ही होनी चाहिए, बस पोर्शन अपनी अग्नि के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए, और जो है सॉलिड का 2, लिक्विड का 1, और 1 पार्ट जरूर एम्प्टी छोड़ना चाहिए, और अपनी भूख से हमेशा 25% कम खाना चाहिए, जितनी अग्नि भी है। तो कभी भी इनडाइजेशन, कभी भी मुझे नहीं लगता कभी भी कोई किसी को बीमारी हो सकती है। ये बहुत बड़ा मंत्र है जो आयुर्वेद का मैं आपको मतलब यहाँ पे शेयर कर रही हूँ।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बताया आपने, क्योंकि इंडिया में मम्मियाँ ज्यादातर प्यार को खाने से जोड़ देती हैं, और अगर बच्चे बोलेंगे कि 2 पराठे खा के मेरा पेट भर गया, तो मम्मी जब तक 4 नहीं खिलाएगी उनको लगेगा मैंने इनफ प्यार नहीं किया है। तो बहुत अच्छा टिप है मम्मियों के लिए कि 1/4 पेट खाली छोड़ेगा तो वो 1/4 पेट प्यार से भरो पराठे से मत भरो। नाइस टिप।
I know. Nice, very nice tip, and yeah, very informative. And
Also, many people, Misha, I have seen that there are trends in families who eat so much deep fried food. So I was just coming to my mind that is it okay to eat the air fryer fried food? Suppose some families have eating too much oil.
Yeah,
is
it is okay. It is okay. Those who really crave for this frying food, they can use air fryer, because they have this coil, which is again, see, you have UV radiations in microwave, which is again hazardous, but this coil is not hazardous. It won't destroy your food. This is a copper coil kind of thing, so it won't destroy your food. And that's what I said. Those who eat frying food, please think twice. मेरा राजा बेटा खाएगा नहीं, बीमार हो जाएगा। Please
Yeah.
understand this. तो frying food के time पे भी ध्यान रखिए. You can have fry food.
Yeah.
You can.
So
But
many people have so many questions. I'm really happy to see this much enthusiasm, and I want everybody to know that Misha Kelkar is having a Facebook page with the name of Reinvent Life. We will put the name in group and everywhere, so you can follow her page because she keeps on updating things on her page, so we all can get value.
Since now that we're coming to an end to this session, firstly, I will thank Misha. Thank you so much for all this information that you have shared. It is very useful, and it is something which we can just take it and start doing it right away. So thank you again, and we hope that you share all these the giveaways, and we can also email it to all the participants. At the same time, we're going to post it on our chat as well.
So anybody who is not connected with us can put their email ID here so that we can email to them.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
And
in group and in
also,
Facebook.
we will also put it on our Cleft group, Facebook group. So there also, because there are a lot of people connected there as well, and maybe who's not able to attend the session can actually, use the giveaway as something where they want to start from.
Yes, Anupama.
Yes, please.
First of all, I would also like to thank Cleft team. This is a really good effort for this thing to make people aware. And I personally, I'm feeling so happy to clear myths, to tell people like go for sustainable lifestyle, which I also apply in my life. I enjoy. I enjoy eating. I enjoy dieting. I enjoy exercising, and this is the way of perfect life. So
Yeah.
please, I would really suggest people that this is the way to live the life. Include meds in your life and have a healthy life. And thanks, Kirti, Anupama, Yash, and Clef team for having me here. And
Thank
thanks.
you, Misha. It was a really lively session, as lively as you are. And your entire family is here, and I really thank them to be here. They have shared my post on Facebook also. So today we have so many people attending, new people attending, and we really. Misha is here. Meher is here. Anupama, Meher, do you want to share, Meher, something you wanted to come on video? She's my friend. She's a very nice friend of mine, Meher. She's from
Okay.
Islamabad. Yeah. If you can
Um,
unmute
hello.
Meher.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Hi, Misha. Very good session. Really lovely to
Thanks,
be
thanks.
reminded and to be educated on a few things that I wasn't really aware of. I have two questions.
Yes.
My first question is that no matter how healthy I eat, I wake up with zero energy almost
Okay.
every day. And it takes me 2-3 hours to gain some energy to run the day, and then I'm very energetic at night. And I remember
Mm-hmm.
being like this from my teens. So the most important productive part of the day, I'm not able to do much work, and at night when
Okay.
everybody's sleeping, then I have all the energy and I do all the work. That was my first question. And my second question is that I struggle a lot with breakfast because I can't have peanuts, I can't have almonds, I can't have wheat, I can't have eggs. Everything that's of a little hot temperament makes my skin break out.
Okay.
So if you can help with that, I'd be really appreciative.
Okay, Mel. I understand your question. First thing, do you have any complication, any health problem which you're going through?
It's one thing or the other. Something keeps on coming up.
Yes. So maybe because of that, that is really affecting your metabolism, and that is giving you fatigue and tiredness. So there are ways, are food which you can include in your diet, which give you immunity, which enhance your metabolism, which give you energy while you wake up. So you can include no peanuts, I'm not saying. You can include seeds in your, like flax seeds. There are papaya seeds, there are sunflower seeds. They give you energy. Then you can include nuts in your diet. Have nuts in your diet. Do you have nuts like cashew nuts or almonds? Or no, even these are allergens to you. Are they? Okay, no problem. So for that, like we can personally talk about it, and I can give you a detailed thing like what you can have to energize yourself. There are certain superfoods which we say gives you energy and which increase your metabolism. So we can have a word on that. You can email me, and I can understand your all problems, your reports, and then I can tell you like what you can have to enhance your metabolism.
Thank you so much. Yes, I think I'll contact you personally. There are more
Sure.
detailed answers to that.
Yeah,
Thank
there are
you.
more detailed answers which I would like to know. There, I have too many questions to ask you then.
Okay, thank you.
Wow. This is really amazing to see. Like, it's such a wonderful thing. I mean, Meher actually joining us from Pakistan. Wow. Thank you so much, Meher, for joining us. This is the first thing.
We have people from Japan also.
Oh wow.
Oh, really?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's actually very inspiring to see people coming in from different parts of the world and making an effort to be on this session and take efforts for not just others but for themselves. So thank you all. Dr. Kirti, do you want to say something about the next session that is coming up? Do you want to?
Yeah, we are planning a sort of live question answer session next week, because me and Anupama, we are traveling together, and so many people who are connected with Cleft, they're not sure what is Cleft, what we are doing, how we want to take it forward. So we are planning to do a Facebook live session or YouTube live session, something live with interaction. So I really invite all of you, whosoever wants to know anything about Cleft, who want to join us, or who want to come here as a guest speaker, or who want to share anything. So let us meet. So we will share the details. And thank you all. I really appreciate taking out time on a Sunday. It's not easy.
Yeah.
That's all.
So with that note, I'll be signing off as well. Thank you again, Misha. Thank you, Dr. Kirti.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us, and have a great Sunday ahead. Do plan your healthy lifestyle for yourself.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.